Hello everyone, my name is Fayaz Khan Sahil and today we're gonna learn about absorption and assimilation. So let me tell you guys a story, okay? For example, you ate food, right? These foods are being digested continuously. It started from your mouth where it secrete amylase. Your saliva actually contain amylase. Amylase actually break down starch, okay? So by the time the food passes through the esophagus to the stomach to the duodenum, most of the larger molecules are broken down into smaller ones. For example, carbohydrate are converted into glucose, protein are converted into amino acids, and fat are converted into fatty acid and glycerol. Okay, this small molecule or small substance move through the wall of the intestine, particularly small intestine, where they are being absorbed. Okay, so some other substances like mineral, iron, vitamin, water are already small enough to be absorbed without digestion. These are taken up in small intestine while a small amount of water is absorbed into the colon. Now let's move on to the villi, okay? So if you look at the structure of villi, you will see there is epithelium cell, which is one cell thick. There is goblet cell, which secrete mucus. Then we have blood capillaries and arteries and hepatic portal veins, and there is a lateral vein where the fats are actually transported. So let's look at this. If you look at the structure of small intestine, for example, if you look at the structure of small intestine, you will see a small tiny finger like structure known as villi. Okay, these projections significantly increase the surface area for absorption. Each villi is around 1 millimeter in length. The small intestine is covered with thousands of these villi. Now if we look more into the structure of villi, you will see that this structure, when you zoom it out, you will see there are microvilli, okay, on the surface of the epithelial cell. This is the epithelial cell. This structure is villi, right? This structure is villi, but on the surface of epithelial cell, you will see there is lot of microvilli, which actually increases the surface area of the villi, and it is where the enzyme maltase act, which break down maltose into glucose. This is also where the nutrients such as glucose, amino acids and fatty acid, glycerol, vitamins, mineral and water are absorbed into the body. Now let's move on. Most of the nutrients are absorbed into the blood capillaries within each villus. Each capillary connect and form a vein known as hepatic portal vein, which transports the absorbed substance from small intestine directly into the liver. Okay, so you have eaten, for example, burger. In burger, you have both glucose, amino acids, and might have some vitamins. There is possibility it's none. If you have lettuce, it might have some vitamins. So these substances, even if they enter the villi, what's the next step? These substances should be absorbed into the blood capillaries. Okay, these capillaries actually connect to form this hepatic portal vein. As you can see, these are connected to form hepatic portal vein, which transport the absorbed substance from small intestine to the liver. And over liver, something interesting happen. Glucose is converted into glycogen for storage, and amino acids it's converted into several protein, right? Amino acids it's converted into different protein, and they're released back into the bloodstream. They're released again blood back into the bloodstream. By the way, I don't know where you guys are from. Please write it down in the comment section. And I'm really new to the YouTube thing, so I'm a bit nervous. So stay with me. And please do subscribe to the channel. So we are going to the last part of our slide, which is fatty acid. This is small intestine, by the way. These small projections are actually small intestine. Fatty acid and glycerol oil go into this tiny tube called lacteal, found inside the villus, each villus. Later, what inside the lacteus get passed into the blood. The villi cover a large surface area, which help the small intestine to absorb more nutrient. Thank you so much, guys. We are up. We will go through the up to this, and I have covered previous topic regarding human digestion. Please watch that video, and see you guys in the next